So today, let's talk about divisibility rules. How do you know if a number is divisible by something? This is really useful when you're doing number theory stuff, which I'll cover soon. And all you really need to know is divisibility by primes. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. That should get you pretty far for the most part. You can figure out 13 and 17 and other bigger numbers if you need to, but you probably only need this. And if you want something, say, divisible by 6, well, 6 equals 2 times 3, so you check divisibility by 2 and then divisibility by 3. And if they're both divisible, then it's divisible by 6. First, divisibility by 2. That one's easy. If the last number is even, it's divisible by 2. It's even. That makes sense. You probably know that. Divisibility by 3, you might also know that. It's if you add all of the numbers. You get, in this case, we have 14. And if the sum is divisible by 3, then the original number is divisible by 3. So 1436 is not divisible by 3. But if we have 1437, 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7, that's 15. And that's divisible by 3, so this is divisible by 3. You don't have to divide to check. Now, okay, 5 is easy if the number ends in a 5 or 0. 505, like 5,620, and that's divisible by 5. That's pretty easy. Divisibility by 7 is a little bit weirder. So let's look at the 1436 example. What you do is you take the last number and then you double it, so it's 12, right? And then you take the rest of the number, in this case it'd be 143, and subtract 12. 131. Now if 131 is divisible by 7, the original number is divisible by 7. If you don't know off the top of your head that 131 is divisible by 7 or not, you do it again. So you have 1 times 2 is 2, so you do 13 minus 2 is 11. Now you know 11 is not divisible by 7, so 1436 is not divisible by 7. But what if I have 1435? Well, 5 times 2 is 10, so we do 143 minus 10, 133. You don't know 133, then you do 3 times 2 is 6, so you subtract 6, and you get 7. 7 is divisible by 6, and so 1435 is divisible by 7, and indeed it is, because this is 2 times 205. Okay, finally, we'll talk about divisibility by 11. That one's a little bit weird as well. What you do is you alternate sums. So you do 1, and then you do minus 4, and then you do plus 3, and then you do minus 6. Whatever you get, if that's divisible by 11. In this case, we have negative 6, which is not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. Say you had 1474. And you have 1 minus 4 plus 7 minus 4. And then you have 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 counts as being divisible by 11. So 1474 is divisible by 11.